In PMBOK 6th edition Table 4-1, for Project Management Plan and Project Documents. Here are the list of those items. For this video, we will tackle about project documents. We will not tackle much in details of each project documents, but we will give an example template of each. These are the 33 project documents mentioned. Number 1. Activity Attributes. Number 2. Activity List. Number 3. Assumption Log. Number 4. Basis of Estimates. Number 5. Change Log. Number 6. Cost Estimates. Number 7. Cost Forecasts. Number 8. Duration Estimates. Number 9. Issue Log. Number 10. Lessons Learned Register. Number 11. Milestone List. Number 12. Physical Resource Assignments. Number 13. Project Calendars. Number 14. Project Communications. Number 15. Project Schedule. Number 16. Project Schedule Network Diagram. Number 17. Project Scope Statement. Number 18. Project Team Assignments. Number 19. Quality Control Measurements. Number 20. Quality Metrics. Number 21. Quality Report. Number 22. Requirements Documentation. Number 23. Requirements Traceability Matrix. Number 24. Resource Breakdown Structure. Number 25. Resource Calendars. Number 26. Resource Requirements. Number 27. Risk Register. Number 28. Risk Report. Number 29. Schedule Data. Number 30. Schedule Forecasts. Number 31. Stakeholder Register. Number 32. Team Charter. Number 33. Test and Evaluation Documents. These are the 33 project documents mentioned in PMBOK 6th edition. You can pause and study it each thoroughly for more detailed understanding. Great job! Keep moving forward.